Hey designer, Alex here, welcome to the channel, and in today's video we're going to discuss how to find your niche and why the niche is important. Before we get started with today's video, make sure to check my membership. The link is going to be down in the description below. Membership contains all of my courses, design products, practice files for these YouTube videos, private access to the Facebook group, and much more. So if you're interested, make sure to check it out. Link is going to be down in the description below. Now let's jump into today's video. So first of all, what is niche? Well, the niche is just a part and a small segment of the large market. For example, in a car market, one niche could be, for example, tuning of the cars. Other niche could be supercars and all of those cars going fast. Other niche is going to be racing cars. So basically, all of those are niches of the large segment, which is cars. How can you apply that to the design? Basically, it's quite simple. You have to understand what you like. You have to know what you like, and you have to know what you want to focus on. It's okay if you don't know from the start, because you can explore it when you get into the particular niche. For example, banking niche, maybe you want to do banking products for large banks. Maybe you want to do banking products for small parts of that market, for example, card companies and credit card companies. Maybe you want to do designs for companies like PayPal, for example, who are doing payment processing. So all of that is in the money business. Make sure to understand which niche you are interested in. If you're dealing with the IT world, for example, you like companies who are big like Facebook. Maybe you like companies who are small, who are trying to find some software solutions for smaller problems. Maybe you want to deal with software companies like Google, who are doing everything and anything. So make sure to focus on what you really like, because that's going to allow you to understand that niche more. Let's go back to the car niche for a second, because for example, let's say that I like luxury cars. For example, I want to understand what kind of a customer is there in the luxury car niche. How old are they? Are they male or female? Where do they live? Do they have kids? What type of job do they have? Are they a company owner? Do they work for somebody else? Where are they located? Where are they spending their time on? When they purchase a car, how that car experience works like, how does it look like? So all of those details you have to understand, because your job as a designer is to solve problems, and you're going to understand which problems they are for a certain niche if you're already in that niche. For example, if you're jumping between different niches, now you're doing website for a car design brand, maybe you're doing website for banking brand later, after that you're doing website for the restaurant. You cannot focus on the problems you're trying to solve with your design. So that's why I'm saying make sure to focus on a niche. When you're getting started, it's fine, because you want to explore all of those different business ideas, different problems, different solutions, because you want to understand which ones fit you the best and which ones do you really like the best. So when you understand that, when you get to know all of those different markets, all of those different projects and products, then make sure to start focusing on a niche and what you really like to do. When you do that, you're going to understand the problems your clients are facing much better, and you're going to be able to solve those problems a lot easier, because you're going to end up being the guru in that niche. You don't have to focus and stay in your niche for the rest of your life. You don't really have to do that, but it's going to be much more helpful to get the job, because when you approach to your potential client and you show them the portfolio and say, for example, let's go back to the car niche once again. Hey, it's me, I'm the designer. You can check my portfolio here, and you can see that I've done previous work with all of these companies who are your competitors, for example. So I understand this market a lot, and I understand your competition, I understand your problems, and I know which solutions you need to implement in your design to fix those problems and to overcome those struggles. Therefore, it's going to be really a no-brainer for them to hire you, because they are going to be able to understand through your design, through your communication, through your portfolio, that you really are an expert in that niche. So you can charge a lot more, because you're going to be able to deliver a much better solution than that designer who is the jack of all trades but master of none, who is doing all of these restaurants and cars and flower shops and bakeries and whatever. and you on the other hand are simply master in this niche, focusing on this market and understanding which problems there are there and which solutions really work for your clients. So when you can, make sure to focus on a niche, because as I said, you're going to be able to charge a lot more. You're going to be able to enjoy the work that you do a lot more because you really enjoy that niche and you really enjoy helping clients in that niche and solving their problems. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope you found some value in it. If you did, make sure to press that like button. I upload new videos every single week here on the channel about design, passive income techniques, motivation, and more. So if you don't want to miss them, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.